Well, a World Congress of Sociology is like the Olympics of sociology. If you are in this part of the world, it's probably a once-in-a-career opportunity. You get to meet sociologists from around the world. It's a fantastic networking opportunity and opportunity to share your work and receive feedback and to learn from some of the best sociologists in the world. We engage with international debates in sociology, sometimes leading them, sometimes following. And we really draw on and extend European, British and American traditions. Melbourne has 6 universities with thriving sociology departments and programs. And so there's lots of people that you'll be able to meet from those, as well as from all over Australia. Get your abstract in. I guess I really look forward to welcoming you to Melbourne or NAM next year. And Melbourne is a place that prides itself on art, culture, sport, good coffee and sociology.